Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. So today we're just going to do an exercise on freezing the columns and rows. So we have this data, and in this exercise we want to freeze the top row of this table and the first two columns, so these two columns here. So I'll go ahead and give you a second to think about how you would do that, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys. So if you want to pause the video, go ahead and do that. Alright, I'm back, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So if you want to freeze both columns and rows, the thing that you have to do is first select one cell where to the left of it you want to freeze the columns, and to the top of it you want to freeze those rows. So in this case, if we want to freeze the top row, we'd select this cell right below, or this cell, or whatever cell we want if we're just freezing the rows. And if we want to freeze the columns, so those first two columns, then we would select a cell to the exactly to the right of it. So this would freeze the top row and the first two columns. And then we go to this View tab, and we go to the Freeze Panes, and we're going to freeze, select Freeze Panes. You can see these lines show up where the freezing happens. So you can see everything's frozen here on up, and everything's frozen for these first two columns. So if we scroll, we'll see that these rows are always visible. If we scroll to the right, we'll see that these columns are always visible as well. And then if we want to take that off, we just go back here and we unfreeze, and you can see those lines are removed as the freeze is no longer impacting the sheet. Alright, hope you guys were able to follow along with that and you're able to use that in your work as well. Thank you very much.